Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is on the first page. This is a default location. So once you see the toggle, you can simply hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. I do recommend changing one option here, which is the duration for quick settings. This applies to everyone who's going to be enabling it manually on random occasions. And I would recommend checking it either to ask every time or select a timer. I personally like to select it on a 4-hour timer and confirm it. What this will do now is whenever I tap on it manually, it will enable itself for 4 hours, and after that time passes, it automatically turns off. So if I forget about it, it won't be running indefinitely as it would by default. So anyway, from here, you can close that, find the toggle, and simply tap on it to enable it. And with the timer, it also tells you till what time it's going to be running till, but you can still turn it off yourself by tapping on it manually once more. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.